Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're another game with the 86 Celtics, this time against the mid-80 Atlanta Hawks, led by Dominique Wilkins. Of course, Birds had a couple great games. He had a 60-point game against the Hawks in New Orleans. The famous game where the Hawks were giving each other 5 as Larry was draining shots from all over the place. And then, of course, the duel with Dominique in the fourth quarter in the playoffs, where Larry went 9 for 10 in the fourth quarter. The 60-point game was pretty funny because Larry had run a marathon and was pretty sore, but yet just got going and here we see. But still managed to come out and drop 60 and some of the craziest shots you'll ever see made in the game. It's definitely worth checking out on YouTube, just to see the guy make shots that just are insane. The duel is worth it too, you know. I mean, Larry just came up with shot after shot after shot in the fourth quarter, doing what he does, which is, you know, when it's crunch time, he comes through in the end. So, but hey, Dominique put up a great series and a great game. I mean, Dominique has his minuses, you know, not the not the greatest defender in the world. I don't think there's any video of him ever dribbling with his left hand. You know. So I mean, Dominique definitely had some minuses, but man, he could score. I remember watching that series and the bank shots. I mean, Dominique just banked everything off the glass. It was just insane. It seemed like he never missed. Threes wasn't really Dominique's thing, so. Come on, Chief, get over here. Yep, let's fade away from the hoop. Definitely some struggles here. Alright, let's maybe do a pick and roll. Oh, man. I thought that one was in. I hit that one pretty close to the mark. Dominic could be one of those players that be, you know, he was never on a team when he wasn't the main guy, and I'm not sure how much he would have been willing to share the ball. I mean, Kevin Willis had some good moves and was a solid post player. But, you know, Dominique just took so many shots all the time. I mean, just not much of a passer, to say the least. And I think the Hawks actually thought that they were going to be the team to dethrone the Celtics instead of the Pistons. I know Kevin Willis famously made a statement that he had the secrets to stopping Kevin McHale, which, quite frankly, no one did. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, no one was stopping. No one was stopping Kevin McHale. Let's just put it that way. I mean, back to the basket, there was about... Why not go straight to the corner? Yeah, back to the basket. I put McHale and Olajuwon at 1 and 1A. Kareem would probably be next. That skyhook was incredible. But the reason why I would put Olajuwon and McHale ahead of Kareem would just be versatility. I mean, half hooks, up and unders, turnaround, faders, face up. You know, McHale and Olajuwon had the whole toolkit, and they could use every single tool in the kit. It's just amazing watching them two in the post. It's a clinic that's just so unbelievable. Something that you just don't see now anymore because of the three-pointers and you know, it's either a three or it's driving to the basket. You just don't get a lot of of that post play, and man, it's beautiful stuff. It's too bad that it just doesn't exist anymore, pretty much. I mean, post play is a beautiful thing. As much as I love threes, and I loved them a lot when I used to play. Post play is beautiful, and it's too bad we don't get to see much of it anymore. Where are you going, Chief? Man, my timing is off. Terrible. Yeah. Oh, there you go, Jerry Seasting. Look at that. Celtics with a little bit of a fast break. They ran a lot more than I think people gave them credit for. You look at some of the old tapes and you see the lack of athleticism, stuff like that. You just don't think of them as a running team. And plus they're playing the Lakers, who were the running team. But the Celtics like to do their share of running, and they were good at it. Oops. Well, I don't know what this play is, but we're about to find out. Come on, Wedman. Come off the screen. Oh. Ugh. Yeah, Seasting wasn't shooting many threes. His range was that 15, 18-foot area. That's where he was money in the bank from. So I don't anticipate doing any trades in this season either, but I am excited to try to build things through the draft and things like that. Yeah, look at that. Uh-oh. Get out. Get in there, Bill. Not bad first quarter, 14-9. I do have substitutes on auto, too. I'll play around with that as it goes. We'll see how much time the starters get. I did redo the minutes, so it's only an 8-man rotation. So I'm hoping that'll be enough to, keep the minutes pretty good. Because obviously, you want a lot with Bird in there, so. Ah! And I hit the wrong button. No, why not go to the corner? I'm not sure why he just won't go to the corner. Oh. Yeah, that bothers me that Ainge won't run to the corner. I don't know if there's a setting if anyone knows if there's a setting or something I can change with that, that'd be great. Jeez. Who's that dude? There we go. Chief carrying the load while Bird and McHale are on the bench. Yeah, don't plan on any trades. Excited to try to see what the draft brings in this. Because I do want to keep the core, and then we'll see what we can do with the draft. I did set the draft for the 79 class, so there should be a Magic Johnson in the draft class. Oh, what? Mm, that was something. Well, I keep running this play for Dominique. Whitman, he was a solid shooter. Tell you what, in real life, Larry, that was automatic for him. That little fadeaway, just couldn't really stop it. Well, I'm not going to do that on DJ. Oops, there's a double screen for Neek. Again, not his strong point. But man, I don't know how many threes they've made. Oops. Yep, Doc Rivers, too. You can put him. Look at that. Yeah, this Hawks team had decent players. It just never going to unseat the Celtics. A little dry spot here. Oh man, how's that one not green? I'll tell you what, this shot meter is crazy. And I tried that whole right stick and then move it to the left or right. See? Why? Oh man, why not go to the guy under the basket? Don't get it. Yeah, you can't dribble around DJ. He'll steal the ball from you. Dennis Johnson, one of the few guys I actually seen pick Michael Jordan clean. Not a lot of guys were able to do that, but, you know, DJ was one of those guys, man. You put that ball out in front of him while you were dribbling and you'd lose it. Oh, damn. You can see that coming the minute I just missed. Ooh, Danny Ainge. Yeah, I'm not sure how this time limit's going to go. Ooh, nope. Yep, dribble in front of DJ again. Oops. Ah, dang it. Man. Oh. What? Flagrant one? There was no such thing in when these guys played, that's for sure. Get out of the way, Kevin. Tree Rollins. Oh. Damn. Oh. Fade away, fade away, fade away. Yeah, 27 points and a half. I don't know. We might adjust that. I'd like to get the scoring a little bit higher than it is now, but I did miss a lot of shots in the beginning, too, and I'm just... Oh. Look at Parachute, 6 and 5. Look at Chief. Yeah, Robert carried him that when McHale and Birds went to the bench. Yeah, that's the other thing, too. Red Auerbach could lose his mind if he's seen cheerleaders in the stands or on the floor. Oh, that was awful. I probably should have adjusted the lineups and made McHale guard Dominique instead of Bird, and let Bird just sit around hugging Tree Rollins. Kevin McHale with the board. Why not to Ainge sooner? Oh, man. Whew. Gotta get that passing down. It's a little rough looking. It was a good fast break. I might have to tweak that defense for the Celtics. They were getting, I mean, don't get me wrong, DJ's a great defender, but man, that's a lot of steals. Ah, man. Mm. Dominique doing Dominique stuff right to the basket. Man. Well, they talked about that made shooting more difficult, and they're not lying. Good fast break, though. And it was Dominique. Oh. Man, that was early, though. I like the old shot meter from NBA2k20 where you just fill the bar as opposed to this little thing they've devised this year. Look at Dominique go to work. Man. Ooh. Look at Chief. There you go. Yeah, I'll adjust that. I think he's getting a little too many. Yeah. Chief! Oh! See? How's that one miss? And that other one was way worse. Yeah, just some of the defensive settings. I think it's a little over the top. Oh, I don't know who this Miles dude is. Oh, why not shoot it? Let's get Big Bill. Oh, man. Ah. There we go. Yeah, 2 Allens ain't going to get that on Chief. There we go. There's some Larry Bird. Ooh. Not bad. There it is. Look at that. There's a nice bird pass. Yeah, let's see. We got starters back in except for Seasting. Ooh, Chief for the help. But Larry, where are you going, buddy? Oh, why not go to the hoop? What are they trying to? Oh, there goes that Miles. Oh, look at Doc. That's amazing. That guy took a lot of threes and a lot of mid-range jumpers. Who Miles is? I don't remember him. Nice pass for Bird. That's a play Bill Walton and Bird would run endlessly too, like I talked in the last video. That's fun to watch. Up to just a minute too. I'd like to give Walton a little bit more time. Hey. Why wouldn't you finish? Man, darn it. Damn, that guy's on fire. Man. Oh, sliding all over the place. Yeah, within 5. It's a game now. There we go. Hello, Kevin in there. Oh! Man, they should leave Miles in there. I don't know what they're doing. I mean, I know it's Dominique, but... Damn. I'd like to try to... Falling apart here at the end, guys. Time to go to the... There we go. There. Now see, I'd love to hit... Man, I wish he'd run to the corner for that 3. Well, there we go. Bird going to the rack. Chief, player of the game. Let's see if we can't finish this off. Uh-oh. Dang it, seen that coming. Oh, come on. Oh. Yes. Oh, come on, man. Look at Larry. Bird with the hands up. Danny for a 3. So this looks like it'll be a win, so. Ooh. See if we can get Larry a couple free throws. Yeah. Oh, man. Damn. I was hoping to do a showboat dunk. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, maybe add a minute. I think I'll add one more minute to the quarters. Work in progress. Hopefully by 10 or 15 games in, got good settings. That, and I got to work on my shooting because I'm awful. I left a lot of layups and stuff on the board. But, well, thanks for watching, guys. You know, I appreciate it. If hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you want to watch me take this team and see if we can't win a championship and do some drafting and all that kind of good stuff. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.